Hey, Sky Quiz Daily fans! Today it's all about sound, 25 rounds of classic and iconic ringtones. Can you name the brand just by the ring? Subscribe, let's test those ears. Round 1, do you recognize this ringtone? That's Nokia. Whose ringtone is this?
Hello, Moto.
Nice ears. That's Motorola.
Hello, Moto.
Round 3. How about this one? Instant classic, iPhone. Can you name this brand? You got it, Samsung. Pick your favorite here. Subscribe for an iPhone, or if you prefer Samsung, comment both if you like them all. Round 6, do you know this sound? Correct, Sony. How will you rate Sony? Share your rating below. Round 8, can you guess the brand? Correct, Huawei. Do you know this one? That's Xiaomi. Which phone will you pick for vacation? Subscribe to Huawei, or if you prefer Xiaomi, comment for both. Round 11, can you place this one? That's BlackBerry. Whose ring is this? You nailed it, LG. Whose sound is this? Correct. Oppo. How will you rate Oppo? Share your rating below. Round 15. Recognize this ringtone? Nice catch, HTC. Do you recognize this sound? Correct, Google Pixel. How will you rate Google Pixel? Share your rating below. Can you name this ringtone? Sharp ears, OnePlus. Round 19. Recognize this one? Yes, that's Vivo. Can you guess the brand? You got it. Realme? Round 21. Whose ringtone is playing? That's Asus. Can you name this one? That's nothing. Round 22. Whose ringtone is this? Panasonic. Recognize this brand?
Toshiba brings some Hindi classics.
Correct, Toshiba.
Toshiba, bring some Hindi classics.
Can you guess this one? That's Philips. Round 25. Do you know this ringtone? Nice ears, sharp. Whose sound is this? Correct, Lenovo. Can you name this brand? That's Meizu. Recognize this ringtone? Yes, Microsoft. Rate Microsoft. Share your rating below. Last one. Can you guess this sound? That's T-Mobile. That's a wrap on today's ringtone challenge. However many you got right, drop your score in the comments and tell me which ringtone gave you the biggest wave of nostalgia. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next quiz. See you next time.